In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Daikin air conditioner fault code A6. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we start, we need to know what A6 means. So this means the indoor unit's fan motor failed to operate or its rotation speed is abnormal. Some of the common causes, so these can include fan motor failure or stalling, faulty fan motor sensor, obstruction in the fan, or a faulty indoor PCB. Alright, so how to fix this? Step 1, power cycle the system. So turn the unit off using the remote and switch off the breaker. Wait up to 5 minutes, then turn the power back on and test if the fan starts operating properly. Step 2, check for physical obstruction. So open the front panel of the indoor unit, try to spin the fan, drum or crossflow fan manually. If it's jammed or hard to burn or turn, remove any dust buildup, debris or insect nests. Check for foreign objects inside the blower compartment. Step 3, inspect fan motor wiring. So check all connections from the fan motor to the indoor PCB. Look for burned connectors, loose plugs or damaged wires. Secure any loose connections. Step 4, test the fan motor and hall sensor. So we need to get a multimeter to check this. Voltage at the fan motor when the unit is supposed to be running, usually 12 to 30 volt DC depending on models. Hall sensor signal wires, if accessible, should pulse or show resistance when the fan is turned manually. If there's power but no motion, motor is likely defective. Step 5, replace the fan motor if needed. So if the fan doesn't run even with correct voltage, the motor is bad. Order the correct replacement part for your model. Most Daikin motors are plug and play but require careful handling during installation. Step 6, inspect to replace the indoor PCB. So if the motor is fired but no voltage is being sent from the PCB, the indoor PCB may be faulty. So look for burn marks, bulging capacitors or damaged traces. Replace the PCB is more complex, recommended to be done by a professional.